Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today's video is going to be one of a few that we're doing in a little mini series. We recently moved out of our house. We had been there 22 years, and during that time we did a lot of renovations. So today's video I want to focus on our bonus room, which we made out of our old garage, and then we also built a separate garage. Here's the front view of our house, and you can see the separate garage. If you look closely, we had the dormer match the dormer on the front of the house. It's really important when you're going to add on to your house to try to congeal the design so it looks like it has always been there. The dormer allowed for a lot of light to come into the studio, and that's where I work. You've seen some of my YouTube videos. You've probably seen that room already. We had a friend from church who was an actual framer frame out the separate garage, and then my husband did a lot of the smaller interior and a smaller exterior work himself. Here's a view of the back. It was really important to me to have plenty of windows in the studio so I could have plenty of light. The stairs were painted white and they matched our white fence. Here's my husband tirelessly working on the stairs. That is a big job for any of you who've done that. And he had a special helper, and that was little Sarah. And this is a view from the back of the yard. You can see the back, how the studio just blends beautifully with the house and looks like it has always been there. We're really proud how this project turned out. We gained a bonus room and a studio above the garage. So let's take a look at the interior. When it comes to a bonus room, I say have some fun. Our bonus room was all about westerns, sports, and World War II. We used hardy board on the inside, painted a barn red, high gloss black used on all the trim. I kept the ceiling white because I didn't want to get too dark in there, and then very comfortable furniture. Oh, the mess of the beginning of a project, but you live through it. You wonder how you do, but you live through it. Here you can see the beginning of the hardy board being put up. This was the original stairs leading into the house from the garage, but we're creating a hallway now. And it's just a few steps up, and now that enters straight into the kitchen. This is my dad giving instructions to my husband. My dad was a wealth of knowledge. This photo here is actually going to be part of the master bathroom, which we're going to chat about later. The door here is actually our new back door that comes into the bonus room. Well, we made it through the renovations. I cannot tell you how many hours was spent in this room, whether it was playing Halo, or we had a movie night, or we just were spending time together. I think this room will be the one we will miss the most. Thank you for watching this video. In the next one, we're going to show how we took a little 70s bathroom and converted it into a master bathroom. We also renovated our master bedroom. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we'll have that video out next week.